In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Firebase Studio project quickly and efficiently. This simple process will ensure you have your project readily available on your local machine in no time. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You're going to want to navigate to the Firebase console by typing Firebase console into the search bar. The Firebase console is an essential tool for managing and developing your app projects, and we'll need to access it to proceed with the download. Once you've navigated to the Firebase console, you'll need to log in. Use your credentials to sign in to your Firebase account. If you don't have a Firebase account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. Having direct access ensures that you can manage your projects and download them without any hitches. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open your specific project within Firebase Studio. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll access your project's assets and configurations. Make sure you're selecting the correct project if you have multiple ones available in your Firebase account. In your project, you'll see a File Explorer panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this panel or locate your main project directory. If you're using the app prototyping agent, you might see something called Studio, or it could be named after your project if you're using a template or have uploaded one. Right-click on an empty space at the bottom of the panel or directly on your main project directory. This action will bring up a list of options. From the context menu that appears, you want to choose the Zip and Download option. This function compresses your project files into a zip folder, making it easier and faster to download a large number of files at once. Plus, it's an efficient way to manage your project files for offline access or sharing. If you encounter a prompt asking you to rebuild the environment before downloading, you don't actually need to do this at this time. Simply click Cancel. This step is designed for different scenarios and won't be necessary for just downloading your project files. You'll see that your project is being zipped and prepared for download. Once this process is complete, your project will download as a zip file straight to your local machine. Access the downloaded folder at your convenience, and you'll have all your important project files on hand. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Firebase Studio project to your local setup. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.